Science Lesson 37. Welcome everyone and good afternoon. Can everyone say hello?
Hello.
Hello. Let's get started with our meditation. Very good, which means you all have a seat and show me
2 fingers.
2 fingers that we will use to find our heart center. Very good. Our other hands open in our laps or on your desk. And together we take a deep breath, close our eyes, focus on our heart center, try and relax our bodies, quiet our minds, and meditate. Once we're able to feel it here at our center, boom, boom, we can relax our other hand. Still trying to quiet our minds. Allow ourselves to be present. Breathing deep. Focused at our heart center. Take a minute now, notice your own breath. As we meditate, we try and slow and lengthen our inhale and our exhale. We are focused at our heart center, allowing ourselves to be present. Okay, nice job, everyone. We'll slowly open our eyes, come out of meditation together, taking 3 deep breaths. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Very good. Okay, up on your feet with me. We'll do the rest of our warm-up together. Oh. All right, so first, show me how high you can stretch up, how tall you can be. Reach up on your tippy toes. You can bend a little bit here as well. Stretch. Good. And together we
Shake it out.
shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Very good. And then we stretch down and touch your toes. Reach for your toes, everybody. And I see you too. Stretch. Find a nice stretch in your legs. Reach, reach, reach. And then together we shake it out. Shake, shake, shake it out. Very good. Now we're going to gently roll our neck, all right? This way first, all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put your shirt down. And then next we count on our fingers. Good. So show me 1 here. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. All right, now, what do we do next? We jump up and down and we start on one leg or 1 foot, and then we switch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now we jump forward on 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good. If you can hear me, clap 1 time. If you can hear me, clap 2 times. If you can hear me, clap 3 times. If you can hear me, clap 4 times. If you can hear me, clap 3 times. If you can hear me, clap 2 times. If you can hear me, clap 1 time. If you can hear me, clap 1 time. Good. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in your pocket. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in our pocket. Zip it. Lock it. Put it in our pocket. Okay, so today in science, we are going to quickly review the last of the senses that we learned, right? How we use our bodies with our senses. And then we're going to move on to a new topic, which I really think you guys are going to enjoy. But first, let's review taste. We talked about how we taste and look, taste and eat with our mouths, right? Look with our mouths. No. All right, and so we learned some taste words. Let's see who remembers. How do we describe this taste? They are French fries. Who remembers what we named the taste?
Salty.
Very good. Salty.
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 French fries taste salty.
Salty.
Good. Salty. Good. I know you guys remember what this is. Ice cream.
Ice cream.
Who doesn't like ice cream? So who remembers how we call the taste?
Yellow.
Well, yes, but the taste.
Sweet.
Very good.
Sweet.
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 Ice cream tastes sweet.
Sweet.
Sweet. Who remembers the English word? Chili, that's right. These are chilies. Chilies. And the word for how they taste is, I heard it, spicy. Spicy. Yeah, spicy. They taste spicy. Yeah, not a good thing. All right, who remembers what we call these in English? Close. Lemon. Lemon. This is a lemon. And who remembers the word for how they taste? Good. Sour. Sour. Lemons taste sour. Sour. There, good. And then the last one we learned, what is this?
Coffee.
It's coffee. Yeah, it's coffee in a coffee cup. And anyone remember the word for how this tastes?
Coffee.
It is coffee. It's called bitter.
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 Coffee tastes bitter. Black coffee. Bitter. Good. These are all things that taste. And when we eat and when we taste, we use our mouth. Good. So last lesson, we learned about our fifth sense. It was brand new for us. We learned how we use our hands, right? Our hands and our skin. Who remembers that sense? To touch. Yeah, touch. Touch. So last lesson we learned when we touch, right? And when we feel, we use our hands. That was our new one. When we touch and when we feel, we use our hands. Yeah, our skin really, but mostly our hands. If you remember last lesson, we got to touch different things. We got to touch a rock, right? We got to touch a book. And tissue, we got to touch tissue, right? And we learned several different, we learned 5 touch words for texture. Remember we learned smooth. Smooth. Right? Like our skin. Our skin is smooth. Smooth, yeah, or a plastic ruler. Smooth, right? We also learned rough. Rough. Good. Remember the rock was rough. Kind of like, ow. Rough. Rough. Not quite. And then we learned hard. Yeah. I say it, you say it. Hard.
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 Right? And hard was, Pata, what you were doing. Hard is, we can't break it. Yeah. Hard. Hard. Yep. And we learned the opposite of hard, which was soft.
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 Remember the tissue was soft, right? We could squish it. It was soft on our face. Soft. Soft. Yep. And then the last one we learned, we used the tape and it was sticky.
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 We touched the tape and it was sticky.
It is me.
Good. All right, so let's go through the 5 one more time. I'll say it, you say it. Smooth.
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 Good. Rough.
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 Hard.
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 Soft. Soft. Good. Sticky. 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 Very good. Okay, good. And these were all things that we touch and feel with our hands. Right? We look and see with our eyes. Right? We listen and hear with our ears. We sniff and smell with our nose. Good. We taste and eat with our mouth. And finally, we touch and feel with our hands. Good. All right. Well, so the last thing we're going to do together on senses is sing our song. So if everyone will stand up, we're going to sing the senses song together. You ready? Honey? When we look and when we see, we use our eyes. When we look and when we see, we use our eyes. When we look and when we see all the things there are to see. When we look and when we see, we use our eyes. When we listen and we hear, we use our ears. When we listen and we hear, we use our ears. When we listen and we hear all the things there are to hear. When we listen and we hear, we use our ears. When we sniff and when we smell, we use our nose. When we sniff and when we smell, we use our nose. When we sniff and when we smell all the things there are to smell. When we sniff and when we smell, we use our nose. When we taste and when we eat, we use our mouth. When we taste and when we eat, we use our mouth. When we taste and when we eat all the things there are to eat. When we taste and when we eat, we use our mouth. When we touch and when we feel, we use our hands. When we touch and when we feel, we use our hands. When we touch and when we feel all the things there are to feel. When we touch and when we feel, we use our hands. Very good, everyone. The senses song. Moving on to our next topic in science. We're going to talk about something that we have actually learned before. See if you guys remember. Who remembers the word for this?
Push.
You guys are so good. Push. And the opposite was? Pull. Oh, excellent memory. Very good. So today we are going to learn more about force or motion, specifically push and pull. Push and pull. Good. So the first thing we are going to do together is go through a PowerPoint. Right? We're going to look at some different images of push and pull, and you all are going to help tell me which one is which. Okay? So pay attention to the TV, and we'll do that together now. There are two words right there. Push, right? And pull. Push and pull. Good. So before we go through the rest of the slides, let's write these up because we're going to sort some things together. I want the purple. Yeah. Okay, so help me spell push. Push. It is P U S H. Push. All right, and over here we're going to have pull, which is P L. Good. Push and pull. All right. Good. Is this push or pull?
Push.
Push. Who thinks push? Good. Does anybody think pull?
No.
Good. Good. Push. It's push. Push. Yeah, push the baby in the carriage. It's push. Yeah, it's not pull. It's push. Pretend like this is a baby. And this is a mom pushing a baby. Meow, meow. Meow, meow. Push. Yep. Push. Good. Let's look at our next one. Look at this one. She's turning on the light. On the light. Who thinks it's push? Anybody think it's push? Push? Who thinks it's pull? Yeah. Pull, right? She's pulling the light switch. Pull. Yep. It's pull. Pull. Isn't that funny? Oh, thanks. Pretend like that's a light bulb. That is not beautiful, but you guys are very nice. All right. What about this one? Ooh, exercise, muscle, very good. So what do you think? Who thinks it's pull? Anybody think it's pull? Pull. Who thinks it's push? Who thinks it's push? Yeah, me too. Push, right? Push. But she changed, she switched, she changed her mind. She changed it to push. It's push. It is push. Meow. Bigger head. Okay, pretend like that's lifting weights. It's going up. Push. All right, let's look at the next one. She's putting on her socks. She's putting on her socks. She's putting on her socks. Who thinks it's push? Push. Who thinks it's pull? Yeah. Right? She's pulling her socks on, right? Right? When you put your socks on your foot, you pull it. Right? That's how she's doing. She's pulling it on. Yeah. Yeah. Pull. It's pull. Pow, stop. Doesn't matter. That's why we're practicing. This doesn't look like a light bulb at all. And then we'll just put a little. I'm just gonna draw a sock. Oh, that's not a sock.
Ew.
Yeah, pewee. Sock. Pull. We pull things. We pull on our socks.
Wow.
So what about this one? Yeah. They're squeezing water out of it. Yeah. Who thinks it's push? Who thinks it's push? Anybody? No? Who thinks it's pull? Pull?
No.
Right. So if I have, pretend like this is the water bottle, right? And to make the water come out. Is that push or pull?
Pull.
What is it?
Pull.
It's push. Yep. Push. We're pushing it together to squeeze it, right? Push. Squeeze. Squeeze. Push. Yeah, right? Pull would be like this. Push. It's push. I don't really know how to draw that. Let's draw like a ketchup bottle, because that's easier. Mm-hmm. It doesn't look, it's supposed to be ketchup, but it does look like a crayon. Push. Push. What about this one? Ding dong. How do you know that? Yeah, exactly. Ding dong. It's a doorbell. Push or pull? Push. Very good. That's an easy one, right? Push. Push the button. Let's push. Push. I'll just put No. I'm gonna put a door for doorbell. Okay. Ding. Push the doorbell. Ding dong. Good. I knew you guys would like this one. All right, so he's walking his dog, or his dog is walking him. Is it push or pull? Let's pull, right? Who thinks it's push? Anybody think it's push?
No.
Who thinks it's pull?
Yeah.
It's pull, right? It's pull. It's definitely pull. Pull. It's funny, right? He's running. Pull. Pull. Tissue. Tissue. Who thinks it's push? Anybody thinks push? Who thinks it's pull? Yeah, it's pull, right? We pull it out of the box. Pull the tissue. Yeah, the tissue box is screaming. Pull. Good. I don't know what I'm doing. And then pretend like this is the tissue. Pull. Very good. Think about this one. Think about this one, right? We write, right? When we write, do we push or pull? Very good, right? When we write, I'm pushing, right? I'm pushing against whatever I'm writing. Good. Yeah, it's push. Very good. It's push. Yeah, I've already got a pencil. Look at that. That's perfect. Push. Yeah, right. Who writes like that? Push. Good. What about this one? She's got many, many books. Who thinks it's push? Anybody think it's push? Okay. Who thinks it's pull? Good, Nadia. Good, right? She's pulling it behind her. Pull. She's pulling it. I'll do a little wagon. Yes. Oh, that's me?
Yes.
Okay. Because she's got lots of books or what?
Backpack book. Teacher tree. Backpack. Page number. Teacher tree. Backpack. 6, 7, 8. Teacher tree.
Pull. Yeah. Sure, that'll be me. That's fine.
Teacher. Julia.
Shh. Let's take a look at our next one.
Muscle.
Muscle, yeah, exercise. Exercise. Now look at this one, right? Look at this one. He's going above the bar, right? Push or pull? Push? Who thinks it's push? Who thinks it's pull? Yeah, right? So this time, right, this time the bar is here and he's pulling himself up, right? See how his feet are going off the ground. It's up here, he's going. Yep. It's pull. It's pull. I don't know what I'm doing. Right? Pull. It's pull. All right, what about this one? Mm-hmm. He's got a cell phone, right? And he's dialing. Or like a game, yeah. Is it push or pull?
Push.
That's right. He's pushing buttons. It's push. Good. Push. Very good. I'll just draw a cell phone. Look at that cool cell phone. Okay, we're almost finished. What about this one? She's getting water. Who thinks it's push? Push. Who thinks it's pull? It's pull. Yeah. Look, she's pulling the rope to get the water. It's pull. Yep. It's pull. Good. What about this one? They're playing a game. Yeah. They're playing a game. Push. Who thinks it's push? Who thinks it's push? Anybody? Who thinks it's pull? Yeah, it's pull. Look. We played this game, remember? We played this game in class. Pull. Very good. What sport is this? Who remembers? Football or soccer. Good. All right, so when we kick the ball, are we pushing or are we pulling? Yeah, we're pushing. Pushing away from us, right? Pushing. Let's push. What about this? They're flying a kite in the air, right? They're flying a kite. Yep, she has blonde hair. But pay attention. Yeah, it's kind of like yours, right? They're flying a kite, right? Is it push or pull? Who thinks it's push? Who thinks it's push? Anybody? Who thinks it's pull? Good. You have to vote. Good. It is pull. Pull. They're pulling the kite along. Good. Okay. So take a look at this. They're moving a box, right? Very good. Yeah. Good. So this guy, what is he doing? Is he pushing or pulling? He's pulling. Well, this guy, push or pull? Pull. Push. Push. Right? He's pulling it, and the other guy's pushing it. Right? It's both. Push and pull. Both. Push and pull. Tricky, tricky, huh? It's both.
Same thing.
Ooh. Good. Look at this one. So there's sweeping, right? Cleaning and vacuum. Right? It is. It's both. Because we can push and pull. Push and pull. Same with the broom.
Push.
Push and pull. It's both. Push and pull. Yeah, all right. When we open or close the door, right? We can push it open, right? And then we can pull it close, right? Push it open, pull it closed. Both push and pull. That looks fun. Yeah, this one's always been kind of tricky for me, but it's actually both, all right? It's like you're sitting on it, one person goes down, right? And you push, push, and pull. Push and pull, right? So when you're in the air and you want to go down, you're pulling towards the ground, right? Push and pull, right? Push and pull. Push and pull. Good. Okay, nice work, everyone. Thanks for helping us sort out push and pull. All right, let me see you guys. Let's wrap it up together by practicing. Show me push, push, pull, pull, right? Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Good, very good. Push and pull. Nice job. We're gonna keep talking about push and pull and other forces in motion, but thank you guys for spending time with us. That's gonna wrap up this lesson. Can everyone say goodbye? Goodbye. Goodbye. Thanks, and we'll see you next time.